This is your how-to guide for life insurance.
There are huge names in life insurance backed by over a century of proven performance. They are massive, boring, but stable companies that you can trust to have your money if you need it one day. These companies include, and I want to be very clear, I do not receive any compensation from recommending these choices. These are companies where I have either purchased my own life insurance or personally researched and highly recommend, based on longevity and solid financial foundations. Those companies are Mass Mutual, Northwestern Mutual, and New York Life. You can run your own search of best life insurance companies based on your needs on Google, or my preferred method of using the NerdWallet app. The people at NerdWallet, based out of San Francisco, care about teaching people about money, and they give unbiased reviews of the best insurers with useful information to help you make the most informed decision. Remember that the decision is ultimately yours, and you must take responsibility for learning about life insurance and the best products for you. Run a search or comparative analysis of policies using NerdWallet or other search options. Call the top companies and speak to a real human being and make them sell it to you. Make the agents explain everything to you until you fully understand your options and get quotes in writing sent to your email. Never just accept what they have said over the phone. Most life insurance companies will help you do the entire application over the phone, where you answer routine health questions and lifestyle questions that will affect your monthly premium and amount of term life insurance you should and can take out. Look at your total assets, cost of your home, yearly expenses for your lifestyle, and factor in end-of-life costs such as burial or cremation, funeral expenses, casket, and more, and pick a coverage amount that will fully cover these costs and give extra to your loved ones so they can live more than comfortably if you were to pass early. The 30-year term is more than enough because it will cover you through your income earning years, keeping your family safe by replacing your income if you were to die. Get a policy for you and then get a policy for your partner so you are both protected the same way described above. The monthly cost of term life insurance is negligible, especially when you compare it to the stress and financial burden placed on your family if you don't get it. I promised you I would show you exactly how to complete every step of daily dedication and the concepts discussed within it. So this is just one more way to protect yourself and the ones you love the most. Call a few of the companies we talked about today and get quotes sent to your email. Fill out the application for the company that best suits your needs and gives you the best monthly premium for the most amount of coverage. Lock in that policy once approved and link it to your bank's checking account for monthly automatic payments so you never miss a payment. Missing a life insurance payment can be dangerous because it can cause the policy to lapse, and you may not get the same deal again because you are older when this happens. Don't link the monthly payment to a debit or credit card because these payment methods are more easily susceptible to fraud, and you will have to manually change the amount, which can get overlooked. Have the statements for your payments sent to your email each month so you know you are in good standing with your insurance company. Term life insurance combined with a solid health insurance policy are important steps to protecting your financial life and getting you on the right track to financial freedom.